Hello all, this is Madhav and I'm a SAP SD consultant. Today I'm going to explain about SAP SD course contents which I'm going to cover. In this course basically I'm going to present introduction to SAP, that is like enterprise structure. I'll start that. I'm going to cover definition and assignment of company codes, company sales organization, distribution channels, divisions, sales offices, sales groups, plant, storage location, and shipping parts, which is relevant to SAP SD. After this, the second point is master data, which is very important in SD as well as in SAP. So here I am going to cover customer master data and material master data and CMIR, that is called customer material info record, and condition master data. And third, sales document architecture I am going to cover. In this, basically, sales document header data and item data and schedule data I am going to cover. How this sales document architecture will be, I am going to cover in that. So, and fourth one, delivery document types. In this, header and item will be there. This I am going to cover, and the complete document architecture I am going to explain. Then fifth chapter, like building document types. This also contains header data and item data. How this will be controlled, I will explain. And sixth chapter is pricing. This is the heart of the SAP. SAP SD. This I am going to cover condition tables, access sequence, condition techniques. Pricing, in how price engine will be performed. I will explain about the price engine. This this tables and access sequence, condition types, pricing procedures, and condition supplements, groups, exclusion groups. This will cover in this pricing chapter. And then seventh chapter, sales process. I am going to explain the entire OTC. OTC is order to cash cycle, and this the base of complete chain of the supply chain I am going to cover in this chapter, like starting from inquiry, then quotation, and sales order, then delivery, then PGA, then billing. How this flow will be run and how this data will be picked up from the backend, that I am going to cover. And the business processes, that is I am going to cover in 8th chapter. The business processes like item proposals, product proposals, and material listing and execution, and as well as cash sales, rush orders, debit memos, credit memos, and cross selling. And I'm going to cover BOM, bill of materials, incompletion log, credit management, batch management, third party process, as well as material determination, free code determination, output determination. Other determinations I am going to cover, including road determination. And that revenue account determination is very important while we are posting into accounting. That will also I am covering. And tax determination and copy controls, rebate overview, and intercompany overviews I am going to cover in this chapter. And I am going to cover 9th chapter, like special business process, that consists consignment business process. Entire consignment business process I am going to explain in this chapter. Apart from this, I am going to cover IDA core use, as well as the implementation methodology, the SAP implementation methodology, that is called ASAP methodology, accelerated SAP. It is called accelerated SAP. That methodology also I am going to cover. This is the course content of SAP SD.